You guys, so this is Queen Karate, and today I am creating a garden salad today. I already said today, but anyways, I am making a garden salad. I just put some of this spring mix inside of here, and let's see, we are going to place some of these cut up cherry tomatoes inside of this bowl. So you guys, we are going to drop some of these cut up cucumbers. I cut them on one of these plates. I didn't feel like looking for the cutting board, which it was right in the dishwasher, but you know. Anyways, that's just how I am going to do it. And excuse the background noise because I have the TV on in the kitchen, so it's kind of loud. You may hear some distraction and so forth. But we're going to focus on this salad. Continue to focus on this. We have more to put inside. It's not that much more, but we're going to put something else in here too. All right. So you guys, so I stated that I was putting something else inside the salad. I didn't cut these eggs up, just trying to make sure I don't have too many big ones. Put them up on a plate as well. And it is clean, so another clean plate. Actually the same plate, but it's clean because I clean things after I use them. I do not double dip. It's kind of nasty. And that's just what I do. So I'm going to drop these eggs in here. So dropping the eggs inside of the bowl, the salad bowl. Alrighty. We have more to add. Okay, so you guys, I have the seasoned chicken. You see it? Yeah. This is what King Karate had made last night and put it in the refrigerator because I told him that I was going to make some salad. So he made some of this grilled seasoned chicken. And I just sliced it up, you know, to the best of my ability. Nothing too fancy, you guys. But we're about to drop this right on inside this salad right here. That is all of it. Look at how this salad looking. Oh my goodness, it is already looking so delicious. So scrumptious. Yes, so we're about to add something else. All right. Okay, so the something else was the Parmesan cheese. Great, bravo. My hands are so clean. Ooh. Look how that cheese just dropped in there. That looks so scrumptious, right? Right? Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Hey, look, you guys. Gotta make it kind of interesting. This is what I do when I'm in the kitchen. I will clown a little bit. So, yeah. Real life. Real life. You'll see it right here on video. Alrighty, so it looks like we are just about finished, and we have to drizzle this with some olive oil. So yes, so we normally would drizzle the olive oil on our salad once we put it on the plate, but we do not mind putting it inside the bowl as well because we're going to crush it. So made just enough for 2 servings. So here is the extra virgin olive oil. You see that? Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. I love it. Well, You guys, I want to say thank you for tuning in. Why I made a salad. Yes, this salad is made by me. King Karate made it. He cooked the chicken, but you know, he did not make this salad, so we gonna get myself some credit. But thanks a lot, King Karate, for making this chicken. But again, thank you guys. I definitely appreciate your likes, your shares, comments, and also subscribers. Please do not hesitate to subscribe because we definitely enjoy bringing these videos out to you guys. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't eat too much. Peace, peace. Love you guys. So we have both of these salads on plates, and guess what, you guys? We are now about to enjoy. Woo! Bravo! Delish.